Everyone is talking about AI agents. But what exactly is an AI agent? Is it just another chatbot? Or is it something much bigger? By end of this video, you will understand AI agents in the simplest way possible. Think of an agent like a digital employee. You give it a goal, and instead of only answering questions, it actually takes actions to complete the task. ChatGPT mostly responds. An AI agent can do things. For example, AI agent can automatically read emails, search the web, book meetings, write code, analyze files, make decisions, use tools to automatically take decisions and execute on behalf of you. So there is a difference between a ChatGPT and a agent. When you ask a ChatGPT what is the best flight from Hyderabad to Delhi, the ChatGPT will give you the paragraph answers. It can suggest you few best options, but it's just a chart. A agent searches flights, compares the prices, asks your preferences, it books the tickets, adds it to your calendar, and emails the details to your email box and sets the reminder, by the way. Everything is done all automatically. That's why the people say AI agents are the next big thing after the chatbots. So an AI agent usually has four important parts: a brain, tools, memory, and action. Let's understand each part in detail. The brain is usually a large language model, LLM, like ChatGPT, cloud AI models. It understands the language, reasoning through problems. Tools give the AI abilities. Without tools, AI can only talk. With tools, it can browse websites, send emails, run code, access data pages, interact with the different apps. Memory helps the agent remember information like your preferences, previous conversations, or unfinished tasks. When you re-log in, it will make sure to start from where you left. Action. This is the most important part of an AI agent. The agent doesn't just answer, it decides what to do next. That's what makes it feel intelligent. AI agents are already being used in real companies. For example, customer support agents, AI coding agent, research agents, personal scheduling agents, autonomous business workflows. Imagine telling AI, prepare a weekly sales report. And it collects the data, creates charts, writes summaries, emails the team. That's an agent. AI agents are changing software from tools into co-workers, and this is only the beginning. If you want more simple AI explanations, AI architecture, and the future tech videos, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.